Configuring internal users. Before users can access any documents, they need to be added to the system. The easiest way to add them is using the Internal User Manager. Click the Internal User submenu from the Administration main menu. You can add the user in any business unit, or create a new unit. To create a new business unit, right-click the main node, then select the Add Unit context menu. Rename the unit, and optionally set a country. Click the Add button to create a new user profile. Now the profile has been created, the system will set a default login name. Change this to suit. At a minimum, you must enter a first name, last name, select one or more user type groups, and enter an email address. After the user details have been entered, click the Insert button to save the user profile. The user will then receive an email with their login details.